What's up, y'all? It's Nick60 here again, back to bring y'all another duck hunting video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the last one and subscribe so y'all can catch these next few ones that are about to be coming out here soon. Now, I haven't filmed any intros to any of these duck hunts because one, I was either just too busy caught up in the moment, or I was just playing out running late. And I planned on making an intro for the last duck hunt I went on, the last day of season, playing out running late. But we got some sick footage. Had my buddy come set up his Insta360, also bring his actual, I think, Sony camera out, get some sick clips of us shooting some ducks. So the next couple videos that are coming out are going to be pretty sick, I would think, you know. So hopefully y'all are subscribed so y'all can see them when they come out. So y'all stay tuned and let's quit the yapping and get into this next video. Hey, Kyler, I gotta get this duck. Coming over, Kyler. Oh my God. Shoot him. Good shot. Shoot him again if he's going to get off. Kyler, don't move. Shoot him, shoot him. Fold. Don't move, Kyler. Yeah, me too. I'm ready whenever you are. Kyler, right here, Kyler. Cut these two right here, Kyler, in front of you. Yeah. Kyler. Good shot. I gotta get that duck, Kyler. I gotta get that duck. No, I got it. Yeah, you cover me. You
see him coming in, tell me don't move.
Kyler, you gotta be watching, bro. Beautiful drake, bro. Oh my God. Hey. I think I got that on video. It's right in front of me. Right here, Kyler.
Here they come, I hear them, Kyle.
Solo 12 o'clock. Bust him. Robbie, coming to you. Bro, he made it out of all of us. Go. Yeah, I'm good. My hand just got soaking wet. I didn't know there was a stump up under there. Alright, they were just all around me.
I had about 4 or 5 over here in this back pocket just sitting right next to me. If I'd have had a baseball bat, I could have knocked about 4 of them out.
Dude, I swear.
I mean, they landed on me. Like,
I'm gonna just chunk this up there. Get it on the way back. Nice.
dude, this is perfect, bro. Like, it's frozen.
It's getting there.
Yeah, it's getting there just like I thought it would be in the grass. But this outside.
Look in there. Back.
Thing over there, like open water. Perfect.
Good boy. Look in there. Like, and I was just having fun watching them. Like, I was getting caught up in the moment.
That was a lot. I know now, if I sit on that other side, there's like a little open. It might be there where it's like that.
Oh yeah. Sorry. I didn't think that was so.
How many did you get?
3 Drake.
Awesome.
I know.
How's it look?
That's good.
Does it?
Mm-hmm.
See your mom.
Come on. Marty, come here.
This is so crazy.
Huh.
I didn't even see him. Went through the woods. Right here, Robbie, right here. Hey, got a duck coming in low. I swear I just seen one. Yep, don't move. Dadgummit, dude, I tried to get the drake. With the two that just took off? About 10 yards to the right from where you usually stand, but out in the middle. Well, that's the end of that video, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I got one more duck hunting video dropping soon. Should be in the next week or so. Should have the 2 last hunts of the season should have some pretty good footage in it. Well, some pretty good footage in the last hunt for sure. Like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I had my buddy come out with his Sony and his Insta360 to get some pretty good shots, so should be pretty interesting to see. But yeah, so hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope y'all gave it a like if y'all liked it, and if y'all like what I'm doing with the channel and loving the content I've put out so far, hit that subscribe button and share the videos. But I appreciate everything y'all have done so far, and y'all have a good one.